So many business owners they get financial leakage, but they don't really know where the leakages they come from. Because you don't know where the leakages they come from, it go dey difficult for you to fix those leakages for your business. Financial leakage na process where money they use comot for your business without proper accountability and control. So many business owners money dey comot from their business, but they no fit account to them and they no fit control am. So wetin be the kind of signs wey you go dey see for your business and you go know say you dey get financial leakage for your business? Number one be say you go dey make plenty sales, but the profit go still dey reduce. Another one be say you go dey get constant cash shortage for your business. You go sell finish, but you no go dey see the money. Number three be say customers go dey owe you very very well, and because say customers dey owe you, you go dey get cash leakage. You get 6 leakage points wey we go need talk about so that you go close the leakage gap for your business. So this dashboard go help you to understand wetin your business dey really pass through in terms of your finances. So the first board wey we go look into na daily sales. If you no dey record your daily sales as a business owner, that means say money dey leak for your business. First leakage point wey you go need close up for your business na your daily sales. You go make sure say you go dey record your daily sales. For the daily sales board here, we get date, invoice number, customer name, product, then the quantity, unit price, total price. This Excel sheet go dey help you to calculate them automatically. So you go dey make sure say you go dey use this board to record your daily sales. If you dey record your daily sales, come for the cash for the dashboard, then come for the dashboard. You go see say the total sales don come for your dashboard now. The next point wey you go need close na your expenses point. You go dey make expenses every day for your business, but nobody dey accountable to them. Nobody dey record them. Nobody approve them. Nobody dey take charge of them. Who be the person wey record them? Wetin be the category of that expenses? Because if you no categorize your expenses for your business, you no go really know wetin dey take a lot of expenses from you. Because a lot of business owners they run their business on a high operational cost. Because say they no dey even record them, you no go know whether you dey run on a high operational cost or below operational cost. As a business owner, you must make sure say you use this board to categorize your expenses. We get drop down for this place. We get drop down. We get fuel, logistics, salary, repairs. Because your staff no go see that opportunity to even make a lot of expenses, excess expenses. So, but most importantly, they must record the expenses. If they record the expenses, it go dey very visible for you to see. Any receipt, they will attach a receipt to it. What is the status of this particular payment? Has it been approved? It needs to be approved. If they never approve them, it becomes a debt for the business. So if they make any expenses without that person's approval, then it's a void expenses. Another leakage point to close na customer debt. A lot of business owners they give out their products on credit, and the customer go come they owe you for 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. If you must give your customers on credit, you guys they document them. Imagine person owe you for 2 to 3 months. You don't at that point you don't they lose both your capital and profit where you suppose collect from that particular product. On this customer debt board, we get customer name, invoice number, total bill, amounts owed, balance, due date. If you put the due date so that you go to feed the follow up, if you enter your customer debt board now, you go to show you say you don't dey overdue. You get one person now we don't dey overdue. Now on the board we have follow up status. Wetin be the follow up status? Called, promised, escalated, or recovered. Imagine say a customer, you give it out to a customer on credit, you give your goods out to customer on credit, then you call them and tell you say, okay, no worry, I go pay you money next week. The status of that follow up na promised. So if you call them back again, he can tell you say, I don't owe this money now, maybe just give me 2 to 3 weeks. At that point, you go need escalate. Because debt they inevitable for business, but at the same time, you must make sure say you go to track your debtors. If you dey track your debtors, you go know say this particular customer he no dey pay. If you know they track them, you no go know wetin be the performance of this particular customer. Customer debt tracking na a leakage point wey you go need close up for your business. The next leakage point na cash flow. There's a lot of business owners know they track wetin they enter and wetin they come out for their business. As a business owner, you must make sure say you get one particular account where you dey put all your money, where your money they enter and they come out, so that you go feed the track wetin they happen, track your cash flow, your inflow and your outflow. You are going to use the cash monitor to track your inflow and your outflow. On this board, you go see say we get date, description, type, we get sales, investment, loan, other income, expenses, salary, logistics, rent. We are injecting money into the business. We are putting money inside the business. It's going to be a cash in. We make sales for our business, is cash in. When you be say money come out for your business, you pay salary, you make expenses, you pay for logistics, na cash out. You go dey monitor when money dey come and when money dey comot for your business using this cash flow sheet. You go fit dey close that financial leakage point by tracking your inflow and outflow for your business using this cash flow sheet. The next leakage point na stock leakage. Your inventories na a very big leakage point for your business if you no dey track am. So make sure say you dey track your inventories, when e dey come in, when e dey go out, when you get a new supply, when you dey expect stock wey dey come in, how many e dey wey come in, how many dey don sell, how many remain. You go dey do your stock counts based on routine. It fit be weekly, it fit be monthly, depending on the time interval wey you choose. So using the inventory leakage control sheet here, you go see you have product name, opening stock, new supply, expected stock, quantity sold, remaining physical, and then the difference. Next leakage point na staff financial accountability. Somebody must dey accountable for these financial activities for your business. When person dey accountable, one person dey responsible for the financial activities for the business, for the financial recording for the business, for the financial tracking for the business, e go dey easier for us to identify, to point out, to say, okay, give us this report from this point to this point. E go dey easier to say wetin we spend money on. E go dey easier to say who approved these expenses, and you go use the staff financial accountability sheet to keep record of person wey dey accountable to the finances at every department. On the last board here, we get audit check. So this audit check dey help you to check wetin be the strength of your business. So for this board, we get all sales documented. If your answer na no, that means say your business gets problem to face. You need to document all your sales, you need to document all your expenses, you need to document all your customer debt. Number 2, are receipts issued for every transaction? If the answer na no, that means say e get some periods wey somebody fit come for your business buy when you no dey available. Your staff go take up the money, they go hide the money because say you no dey issue receipts all the time to your customers. Number 3, are all expenses approved before payment? Number 4, is stock reconciled daily? You know your stock fit no dey reconciled daily and your business will still survive, but it must be a routine activity for your business. Are customer debt followed up regularly? Your customer debt must be followed up regularly. E no dey negotiable. You must follow up your customer debt so that you go fit keep in touch with your customers. Are all staff cash balances tracked and cleared? Yes. Are all bank transfer verified against record? Yes. You must make sure say wetin dey talk say na how much wey enter through bank and cash say e dey correspond. Is physical cash counted daily? Yes, it must be counted daily. Are financial reports reviewed every week? Yes, the financial reports must be reviewed every week. If we go back to the dashboard, we are seeing our total sales, total expenses, and we are seeing our business health, medium risk. We need to watch it. So as the business owner or the CEO of the business, you need to dey watch the dashboard to see the whole activities wey they don carry on, wey your staff don carry on, both from the daily sales, the expenses, the customer debt tracking, the cash flow monitor, the stock count, the staff accountability. You go dey see everything for one dashboard. So this financial leakage system go help your business to identify the points where money dey leak for your business and help you fix them. Because you no go just identify them, e dey help you fix them. Because when you dey use this system, you don fix that financial leakage for your business. Because these points na the points wey money dey from dey leak for your business. You no dey record your daily sales, your expenses, you no dey track am, your customers dey owe you too much and you no dey follow up, your cash flow, you no dey monitor when money dey come in and comot, your staff accountability, nobody dey accountable to the finances, everybody dey collect money for the business. So identifying this leakage point go help you to pull the whole data come for your dashboard. Then you dey see the health of your business from one dashboard.